Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Chatunga Mugabe, Robert Mugabe's youngest son, was arrested in Johannesburg, South Africa after allegedly shooting a 23-year-old gardener at his Hyde Park residence. The incident happened on Friday, 2026, and the gardener is currently in critical condition. Police are investigating the shooting and searching for the firearm used. Chatunga and another suspect are in custody, facing possible attempted murder charges. The midday chaos began with what witnesses described as a furious argument between Chatunga and a security guard employed to protect the multi-million rand property. As the dispute escalated, Chatunga allegedly drew a firearm and opened fire, striking the guard multiple times. While the victim was rushed to a local hospital in critical condition, Chatunga barricaded himself into a room, refusing to surrender to the South African Police Service, the SAPS. It took hours of negotiation with the specialist hostage units racing to the scene before the son of the former dictator was finally led away in handcuffs. This isn't Chatunga's first run-in with the law. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstake Media.